Jake from GD Honey Acres here. Today we're going to be doing a full time of building one of my boxes that I showed in a previous video. Now I stopped at Menards on my way home today and I picked up some Titebond 3 and some deck screws. The glue was recommended by a lot of people and the deck screws should last quite a bit longer than the drywall screws. But the reason I used those before is because that's all I had here. Sorry I'm so dirty, I've been doing drywall at my house, but I got tired of that. Decided I'm going to build a box. All right, let's get started. I'm going to first cut my pieces, then use the table saw and assemble them all together. All right. Now, like I said before, my first cut is at 19 15/16. Right there. Let's go ahead and move this back. I'm going to be using my straight edge for measuring. Almost forgot. Need safety glasses. All right, here we go. Gonna do my next cut now. This cut will be at 14 7/8. For my boxes, just to make them all match, I'm doing 14 7/8 here. To my table saw, I ripped them down to 9 5/8 inches, and I've already got that part set up on here. I'm going to go ahead and get this going. Using your table saw, push it all the way through. Don't reach across the blade while it's spinning. Don't get close to that. Now my next, I'm bringing this in. I'm going to set this to 7/16, including the outside dimension of the blade. Right. Now I'm going to make my blade height right around 1/4 of an inch or so. I'm actually go just a little bit more. Okay. Now with that set, we're going to go ahead and run this guy down just like that. Part of this is I'm going to be cutting out this notch here. We'll let the blade come to a stop. Then we will set it. Set the fence proper here. You just kind of eyeball it. Now set your blade height where you'll just cut out that piece. Got my 2 pieces where the frames will sit in. Now, once my blade stops, I'm going to go ahead and move this clear up. I'm going to lower my blade all the way down just so I can have a good work area to show you guys what I'm doing. Unplug this. Okay. Let's get him up here. We get one of these. We're going to go ahead and apply tight bond. Oop, gooped out on me a little bit there. Oh well, no biggie. I'll wipe it up after I'm all done. Now I've got my brad nailer. We're going to go ahead, put these flush with each other. Do that same little bit right here. You're nice and flush right there. And we're going to get this one in. This side too. This Type Bond 3 is supposed to be waterproof and one heck of a good bond. From what I've been told. A little bit of a reach there. Like I said in my other video, make sure your fingers are plenty distance away from the length of them brad nails, because they can kind of shoot off the side. All right, now I got that done. I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill some holes. know why I'm doing 5 holes. Doing 3 screws on each side and 2 dowels. Messed up a hole right here. I'm going to drill it in a different spot. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead, get these decking screws. I'm using a T25 head on these. I'm not a big fan of Phillips because you end up rounding the darn things out. And that's just a pain. But that is what it is. Use what you got, right? What's nice about these decking screws is they are coated, so they are better than your drywall screws. I've used them on many projects before. I just didn't have them at the time that I started making the boxes. Now that I do, that's what I'm going to use. And then what I'm going to use to cut the dowels is my keyhole saw for drywall, because I cannot find my freaking not my jigsaw, my hacksaw. Sometimes they're stubborn. Get another chunk of wood. Or if you got a wood mallet, use that. I know it's unconventional, using something meant for drywall for this, but it works. That one went in nicely. I just put a little excessive amount on my dowels, it seems. But that's perfectly fine. You can wipe it off after. And that way, you definitely know that you have enough wood glue in your box. This tight bond is definitely way more runny than the other stuff I've had. That's okay. Now the proper tool for that would probably be a wood mallet. But my wife has that currently inside, so oh well. I'm working outside today in the shop. Ooh, dropped it. There it is. Box is made. There we go. Really didn't take that long. Once you've done a couple, they get really fast. All right. And, well, oh, just realized I missed 2. Y'all probably saw that. Here I am getting all excited. Got 2 more to go. This tight bond, I think that big bottle was like $8. This is all, so I didn't think it was really that bad. All right, now it's done. 1 hole deep bee box made. All right, I'll figure out how long that took, and I'll kind of go through and put measurements on the video as I edit this. Yeah, for me, economically, just doing starting off with the 4 to 5 hive, I'm going to start with. For me, I feel like it's cheaper to go and build them myself. I mean, heck, I could build them pretty darn quick. Wood's not that expensive. I have all that in my other video. I'll put a link to that in the description. But there we go. I also like building things. All right, if you guys like this, give me a like, give me a subscribe, leave a comment. If you got any other ideas, put them in the comments down below. I will read through them all, listen to you guys. There's a lot more experienced people out there than me. All right, catch y'all later.